So going back to the technique, should they repeat it out loud, the Sound Shreem Brzee, or is it better to repeat it internally?
You can do it either way. You can do it out loud. If you do out loud, you will be engaged more. And there is another advantage. You are also vocalizing. That means you are engaging more parts of the brain, because the brain is involved in vocalizing as well as hearing. And when you are thinking, there are other areas involved in the brain which will be more profound, but the problem is you will be distracted. Once you have become adepts in chanting or thinking, then you can use silently. But it's not a hard and fast rule. You can combine both or do one or the other.